with this roll of yoga mat, just put some Velcro tabs, if I can find the actual end, and that way, oh, anyway, let's move my little plant. You can have extra bench space. Just unroll it, or cut it so that it accommodates the tap there. There you go. You need to do stuff. There's a whole big area. And the other thing too, if that's too big, you can have it and roll it from that side. So if you need to use your sink, you've got this space here. And sometimes if you can't find a nice pattern on the top, sometimes there's black. Just use the reverse. That's good for food prep, etc. And it extends your bench space. Finished, just simply roll it up, place your Velcro tabs on, like so, and then we store it under the sink. Okay, so we're ready to pop that away. So just put him in there, and he fits in nicely in that space. And then I've got my little emergency mop, and that goes in there. And that area is finished with. The thing this yoga mat is useful for is, just get rid of those, is that it's fantastic to keep your tablecloth in place. That's just really rough, and your tablecloth won't slip slide anywhere. Here's the tablecloth, and anyway, I'll just give you an idea of how this will work, if I can do it. So anyway, you spread your, it's a no-brainer. The yoga mat is underneath, and well, I'll just double that over so that will look neat, and it's also useful for a bigger table. But there we go. And your tablecloth stays put. It will not slide to the left or to the right. And that's that. This yoga mat has been cut to size and fits beautifully on the bench and keeps everything in place and secure during transit, protects your benches, and looks great.